While walking at the creek mouth, I noticed a small group of resident magpies looking for a meal. When their behaviour changed, I realised that they had seen and begun to track a coastal carpet python that was moving across the sand dunes. Adult carpet pythons like this one usually eat mammals and birds. They're non-venomous constrictors, restricting and suffocating their prey and then swallowing it whole. Heat pits in their lower jaw help them to detect body warmth from their prey, while their tongue is able to detect odours that are present in tiny moisture particles in the air. The magpies were very careful to make sure that they kept a safe distance from the snake. After all, they were at the creek mouth to find a meal, not become one. As the snake moved across the sand dunes, it went into the dense cover of a sea hibiscus tree, only to emerge out the other side and then cross a narrow creek track before disappearing into the long grass just at the edge of some woodland. It was only then that the magpies relaxed and resumed looking for their meal. Remember to subscribe, and if you liked this video, give it the thumbs up.